Chips are getting faster, smarter, and way more complex. But before they ever see the inside of silicon wafer, someone has to break down their own purpose. That's the job of verification engineer. We have to deliver our chip without any bug, because now it will convert into hardware, which is not allowed to have any bug. So today we are diving into the verification engineer job and what they have to do. In this we will cover any type of verification like formal verification, AMS verification. All verification engineers have a single mindset: they have to verify a chip without any bug. First step for any verification engineer is to have a specification, so that he can know what is the feature inside that chip and he will write that test cases for that specific feature. Now second step, if he knows what is the feature, then he has to make a verification plan for that features, how he will verify that feature and how much test cases and scenario he will write for that. The verification engineer also mentioned that what type of verification he will do for that specific feature. For example, functional verification or formal verification or AMS verification. If the chip has both analog and digital, they are communicating between them, then we need AMS verification. And if the chip has only digital part, then we will do digital verification. Now after thinking that how much test cases we have to write, we will go towards our test bench components, because for testing these features and writing test cases we need test bench, and for that we will assign a job for writing a person of one block for that test bench, like monitor, scoreboard, and someone will write assertions, someone will write checkers. For example, if you have 10 engineers for designing a chip and verification, then there will be 6 engineers for verification and 4 engineers for design. Now first step is, after deciding about test cases, in second step we will write now test cases in our test bench. Now our test bench is created, our components are working. First we will run any sanity test case for that, and then we will write our scenarios for features inside our specification. Up till now we don't know what is inside chip and what are the components inside the chip. We are just taking our specification, writing our features and scenario, and we are verifying our test case and our expected output, which we will discuss with our design engineer. Verification engineer and design engineer has to do their works simultaneously, and they communicate between them that what is the bug in the design and what he has to verify. Now our fifth step, we need to know what is our goal for verification. Therefore there is a term called coverage. We will cover that how much feature is covered and verified. For that we have two types of coverage: code coverage and functional coverage. In code coverage we will cover that every line of code is working or not, and in second functional coverage we will work on how our features are verified, all the functional features are verified or not. And we will also verify timing, slew rates, noise tolerance, and corner conditions like PVT. So that's the quick overview of verification engineer, what is his job. So in conclusion, I would say that verification engineer has a very important job, that he should know a design and then he have to verify that design. So he should also know the techniques to verify that, and there are very different techniques, and it is very time consuming job. And for that he needs different tools. They are very costly tools like Cadence, Synopsys, and etc. In my next video I will give you a roadmap for becoming a verification engineer. So subscribe my channel and we will meet at next week.